Ndereti gukorwo na gikundi gitari gitikirie kiwatho kiria kiranyarira muingi gicigo-ini kia Mount Kenya riu ni arahuritwo weru. Rita riri uria urari munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua akiumukania wigie ndeto ino. Akiaria ari kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, Rigathi augite ati ari na umenyo wa ati thirikari ni thondekete gikundi kia ekinai aria maranyarira muingi wa gitaro giki, na uguo riu ni oritie ambunge aria mamunyitaga mbaru gucokaniriria mawakiri mari na uhoti wa kwandikira igoti ria kimabũrũri rigie bara na wekinai ya ICC niguo thirikari ya Kenya ithuthurio.
This gang is known to have committed crimes against humanity. Now, with the sponsorship of government, they have come back. And for sure, they have started. So Bwana Kagusha, get a team of lawyers to write to the ICC to invite them to come to Kenya and make sure that the activities of that criminal gang sponsored by government is not allowed to take place.
Gachagua aheanite ngerekano ya gikundi kia nakorwo gikinyarira muingi makiria gicigo-ini kia Mount Kenya miaka-ini ya 80 na 90, akiuga ati gikundi giki giathondekirwo thutha wa mateta maria marekagiririo ni muingi wa gicigo giki megie uhaguku wa onjoria wa bururi, na uyu niguo undu uria kuringana na Gachagua urecokera ona ihinda-ini riri.
That gang, father, descended on the people of this region with brutal efficiency. They beheaded people, circumcised our women. In the year 2009, Mheshimiwa Kavada is here. Pale Gathaithi waliua watu 29.
Rigathi na atongoria angi ni mahuthirire igongona riri ria kanitha kwagira kiene mucemanio wa mahoya uria watabanirio kaunti-ini ya Nyeri ugitongorio ni muteti Maina Njenga muthia-ini wa mwaka muthiru. Rigathi akionania uhotekeku wa ati Njenga aya gukorwo arahuthirwo ni thirikari kiuteti gicigo-ini kia Mount Kenya.
Government has been managing the economy. It has become unpopular. People have started saying no. The same gang leader ametafutwa na serikali na ameletwa hapa to force the people of this region to accept the president and his deputy. Wamekuja hapa 31st. Huyo kiongozi ametangaza mchana that amepewa kazi na serikali ya kuzunguka katika mlima Kenya.
Ugutirari anake anyiri ni anake marehetwo na marori guku amararehagwo na Nissan umere mutikonage mundu wina kiroruha mugeciria ni kuhona kihonete.
Wigie ciiko cia unyitani migwate iria riu cithondekete uteti wa njorotano gatagati ga thirikari na mung'ethaniro. Gachagua augite ati ni kinyururi kinene gukorwo thirikari ikiuga ati Kenya nio marenyita migwate na thengia wa amwe aria manyititwo migwate gucoka kuonekana makuite.
Viongozi wanasimama kusema ati vijana wetu ndio wanajiteka nyara. Sasa mili imepatikana 3. Sasa wewe ulisema vijana wanajiteka nyara, unataka kutuambia ya kwamba hao vijana wamejiteka nyara, wamejiua na wamejituma kwa mtaro? Ni makosa sana kubeba Wakenya kama ni wajinga.
Hado-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.